Welcome to Great Chefs of the World, a culinary survey featuring premier chefs from around the globe.
The first course is offered from Seefeld, Austria. Martin Reitberger cooks fillets of river trout in a beer-based batter and served with lemon sour cream. The entree is prepared at Mougins, France. One of the country's venerable chefs, Roger Vergé, offers a chicken roulade with an herb-infused chicken mousse inside. Dessert is prepared in London. Albert Roux offers a simple but effective rhubarb compote with Bavarois or Bavarian cream quenelle and pepper tuile cookie. Roger Vergé's far-flung culinary empire includes writing a half-dozen cookbooks, creation of a product line of jams, teas, Provence herbs, and a huge wine and spirit cellar. But his restaurant, Moulin de Mougins, is the seat of his fame and a crown jewel. Here's ballotine of chicken with tapenade.
Well, first we are going to start to preparing the sauce for the sauce we serve for the coulis to serve with the chicken. First, I add approximately 2 soup spoon of olive oil, and about the quarter of 1 onions. It's always for 1 person. Okay, and cut the tomato into small pieces. Leave all the seeds, everything inside. Because with the seed you have also the humidity of the tomato has to be very ripe. And we can prepare some garlics, about half of clove of garlic. We also have some tomato paste. We use tomato paste if you are on the winter, you have no very ripe tomato. Maybe not today because tomatoes are very ripe. The onions to make it very soft. So we can prepare the chicken. We take the breast of the chicken with a sharp knife. We cut it to take off the wing. We only need the wing of the chicken. Here, take off the skin. Ça va les oignons? Take off the skin. That. You can use the bones to make a consommé or sauce, as you like. Here we have the breast of the chicken. We take off the inside, the fillet, like that. Take off the nerves.
The breast is flattened using plastic wrap.
Leave the chicken for the moment. Bring back, add the tomatoes and the garlic. Add some salt and cook it very slowly. Tu réduis un petit peu ça. With a cover on the top. I add some thyme. You have the onions, the tomato, the garlic, olive oil, and the thyme. And leave it to cook. The same size. Okay? Yes, for the breast of chicken, we cut it like that by half. Ok. On va enlever le nerf. Take off the nerves here. We're going to be tough, you know, when you cook it with. With some water. To don't, like that, the meat don't stick to the paper. Just a little bit move. That you have the breast cut by half with a little bit of salt. Make it flat. Okay.
The filet is used in a mousse mixture that also includes bread cubes.
And you have a piece of one slice of bread, the fillet of the chicken. Ça, c'est du lait, ça. Fine. The fillet of the chicken and the piece of bread. It's about the equal quantity. Okay. I dip the bread into the milk, cold milk, and when it's dipped, I can take off of the milk, and we have here the bread, the chicken. You have to salt it before to mix it with the blender. The first thing you know is to salt the meat. It can be chicken, veal, or can be fish. You can make the same thing with the fish too. Here.
This chicken mousse will be used in two ways. First, with fresh herbs added as a filling for the breast. Then the remainder will be mixed with the black olive tapenade, presented almost as a side dish.
Okay, you have a perfect pass here. Now, attends, je vais rajouter un peu de. Going to add some nutmeg. You can use a smaller one. And now we have a fresh cream. It's a whipping cream. And I mix it with a part of the chicken mousse. I made it now on the mixer.
Black olive puree is mixed with the remainder of the mousse.
I leave it on the paper because make it easy, and turn it into the paper. Okay? Now I just close it. You can see, you know, before I salted the chicken. Okay, turn it.
A roulade is formed with the olive mixture.
Make it another roll. That is only the chicken mousse with the olives puree. Okay.
Both roulades are steamed. Meanwhile, the tomato, onions, and garlic, which were cooking, are blended.
Mais comme ça, on aura la même couleur. Okay. I use a ladle to pass through. Like that, I have also the flesh of the tomato and all the thickness. Okay. About 1 spoon of butter into the hot sauce. Je ferais peut-être me chauffer la sauce un petit peu.
C'est bon, ça marche.
And use a whisk.
Butter finishes the sauce.
Okay, going to Vergé.
The roulades are sliced for presentation.
You see how it's nice and very tasty because you have all the herbs. Cook on the chicken. Fine. The tomato sauce. On va faire même un.
A small zucchini fan garnishes.
You know, you can arrange differently or like that. And I finish with some olive oil to make it shiny. Oui, enfin, tu peux mettre une feuille just for the finishing. Some basil.